There's always light at the end of the tunnel, and your struggles will only make you better in the end. Mabuhay! My name is Demal Carriedo. I'm 27 years old from the Philippines. Studied Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, major in cruise line operation in hotel services. Please allow me to share with you my 6 years of experience. When I graduated, I went to work at Shangri-La Fort in their Cantonese restaurant as a food runner. Being a food runner needs to make sure that the food must be delivered on time, dietary restrictions, and allergies must be duly checked before serving it to the guests to ensure guest satisfaction and health as well. However, staying at Shangri-La Fort was short due to lack of guests coming to our restaurant. That's why the management needs to cut off some employees, and I was one of them. However, that does not discourage me as I work as a concierge at Gramercy Residences. Working at Gramercy Residences gives me a lot of confidence and was able to enhance my communication skills. I learned how to answer phone calls, answer inquiries, complaints, concern, and answering emails as well. Also, giving recommendations to our guests to ensure that they have the best time staying with us. After working at concierge, I went to Conrad Manila to work as a waiter at their all-day dining restaurant. Working in Conrad Manila gives me a lot of knowledge, especially in their luxury service. That must be given to our guests and to ensure guest satisfaction. Also, learning about wines. Wines became my pinpoint of interest. With that, I learned how to do upselling and wine pairings as well. And without me even knowing, I became the wine top seller in food and beverage department consistently up until now. And that is what I consider one of the best achievements I have in my 6 years of career in hospitality management. And now, I want to have high knowledge and standards to help me grow as a person and as a professional as well. It would be a great honor if you will give me the opportunity to work as part of your team. And I'll make sure that I will help you to contribute to your team. Thank you.